Did you know that money grows on trees? Just kidding. It grows on this set and forget method that we're about to tell you. Let's dive right in. Get started with writesonic.com. Today we're diving into a game changer for content creators, writesonic.com. This platform is a game changer because it leverages AI to produce high-quality articles, saving you precious time and effort. But here's the kicker. It's not just about content generation, it's about the quality. With writesonic.com, you can create an account and gain access to a tool that's incredibly user-friendly. Once you're in, you simply input your topic, hit a few buttons, and voila! The AI engine crafts well-structured, engaging articles. It's like having your personal content writer on standby 24/7. Plus, the articles it generates are diverse, covering a wide range of topics. This means you can use it for a blog, website, or even social media. So if you're looking for a set-and-forget method to boost your online earnings in 2023, writesonic.com might just be your golden ticket. Content generation. Start by entering a specific niche keyword like how to work from home. Hit that search button, and voila! You'll be presented with a treasure trove of articles related to your topic. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Select an article that resonates with your style and message. Think of it as your base format. But we're not done yet. You can now customize and fine-tune the selected article to make it truly unique. Add your personal touch, insights, or any additional information you want to include. This way, you're not just getting a set-and-forget method for content creation, you're getting a head start with high-quality content that you can easily adapt to your needs. Monetization Strategy. Now that we have our hands on a fantastic article generated through writesonic.com, it's time to talk about the monetization strategy. But hold on, we won't delve into the how just yet. The key here is to first provide genuine value to your readers. Your article should inform, educate, or entertain, ensuring that your audience benefits from the content. This initial step is crucial to building trust and a loyal readership. Once you've established yourself as a reliable source of information, you can start thinking about monetization. This is where the magic of the set-and-forget method kicks in. You've already done the hard work by creating quality content. The next steps will involve clever strategies and platforms, which we'll explore in detail in upcoming videos. Publishing on Medium. Alright, let's talk about taking that brilliant article we've generated with writesonic.com and getting it out there for the world to see. One fantastic platform to consider is medium.com, a popular content publishing hub. Sign up on Medium if you haven't already. It's user-friendly and offers an expansive reader base. Now here's where the set-and-forget method really comes into play. Simply copy and paste your AI-generated article onto Medium. It's that easy. Medium's clean and attractive layout will make your content look polished and professional. What's great about Medium is that it allows you to focus on content creation rather than the nitty-gritty of website management. Plus, it offers opportunities for writers to earn money based on reader engagement. So as you share your valuable content with the world through Medium, you're not only providing value but also setting the stage for potential earnings down the line. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Affiliate marketing. Now let's kick our passive earnings strategy up a notch with affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to digistore24.com, a well-known affiliate marketplace. We're going to find a product that ties into the content of your article. In this case, let's say your article is about social media freelance jobs. Step 2. Search for a product on digistore24.com related to social media freelancing or a closely related topic. Once you find a suitable product, it's time to get your hands on an affiliate link. Step 3. Obtain your affiliate link for the chosen product. This link is unique to you and tracks any sales generated through it. When readers click on this link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your content without the hassle of creating your products. So, as you share valuable insights in your article, you're also opening the door to potential earnings through affiliate commissions. Adding affiliate links. This step can significantly boost your chances of earning commissions through affiliate marketing. As you craft your article, identify key points where it makes sense to naturally introduce your affiliate product. These should be moments when readers are engaged and interested in the topic. Then, craft compelling sentences that serve as calls to action. For instance, if your article discusses the benefits of social media freelance jobs, you might say something like, "If you're ready to explore the world of social media freelancing and unlock a new source of income, check out this amazing opportunity." By strategically placing these sentences, you're not only providing valuable information, but also inviting readers to take action and explore the affiliate product. This is where the set and forget magic continues. You've already done the work, and now your article can work as a passive income generator through affiliate commissions. Article publication. Before you hit that publish button on Medium, there are a few important steps to ensure your article meets their standards and complies with ethical guidelines. First, make sure your article is well structured, free of errors, and adheres to Medium's content guidelines. Quality is key to engaging readers. Secondly, it's crucial to be transparent. Disclose that your article was generated with AI and contains affiliate links. Honesty builds trust with your audience. Now go ahead and publish your article on Medium. Use relevant tags and a captivating headline to draw readers in. Remember, Medium offers the potential for earnings based on reader engagement. So the more people you reach, the better your chances of earning. So there you have it. A set and forget method to start earning passive income. Keep creating valuable content, and over time, you'll see your earnings grow. Traffic generation. Generating traffic to your Medium article is the final piece of the puzzle in our set and forget passive income strategy. While it does take time, there are two effective strategies to give your article the visibility it deserves. Backlinks with pingfarm.com. Head over to pingfarm.com, a handy tool for generating backlinks. Backlinks are like digital pathways that lead readers to your article. Create backlinks to your Medium article from relevant websites or articles. This not only boosts your article's authority, but also increases its chances of ranking higher on search engines, attracting organic traffic over time. Twitter promotion with AI-generated tweets. Utilize Twitter as a powerful promotional tool. Craft a compelling Twitter thread with AI-generated tweets that link back to your Medium article. Make sure each tweet piques curiosity and provides value, encouraging users to click through to your content. Engage with your Twitter audience, use relevant hashtags, and retweet your thread to increase its visibility. Remember, generating traffic is an ongoing process, but these strategies can help jumpstart your article's visibility. Over time, as your article gains traction and more readers engage with it, you'll continue to earn passive income from affiliate commissions and Medium's partner program. Keep creating valuable content and promoting it strategically. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.